It's important to match your home's style, form, and function with your family's particular needs and lifestyle. Not to mention the thrill of entertaining friends when everything comes together. Every room needs to be analyzed and designed. Well, here's a great place to start.
Okanagan, BC natives Mike and Alex Macklem had long dreamt of building a custom timber frame home. In 2008, they decided it was time to turn their vision into a reality. They purchased a scenic piece of property at the Kicking Horse Mountain Resort in Golden, British Columbia. They worked with an architect, builder, and nearby timber frame manufacturer and supplier, Canadian Timber Frames, to produce their unique home.
You're building more than a house with a timber frame. It's a piece of art, and it's a living piece of art. It'll age with your house. It'll grow with your house. Our timbers have changed in color from when we first put them in. Wood's a living product, and it'll just live with you. It'll age with your house. It's like an heirloom.
A craft that dates back 2,000 years, timber frame construction is used to build all sorts of residential and commercial structures today.
One of the misconceptions people have about timber frame construction is that it's more expensive than conventional construction, when in fact timber frame is an incredibly efficient way to create volume of space. One of the things that drives the expense of timber frame is often associated with the finishes and the locations that these homes are being built in.
A timber frame structure is a celebration of wood on a massive scale. Tall posts grow from the floor and connect overhead in a soaring network of beams, rafters, and braces joined with impressive precision. Founded in 1999, Canadian Timber Frames is a North American manufacturer and supplier of Douglas fir timber frame structures and components.
Well, Canadian Timber Frames is a leader in the industry because of our service, our excellent product, which is largely because of the timber, which comes from our location in the interior wet belt. Douglas fir grows well here, grows healthy, and we just have a superior product for that reason.
The company has worked on projects throughout North America and overseas.
One of the biggest advantages to timber frame construction comes into play when you're building in an area that has spectacular views. Huge window walls and open areas allow you to bring that outdoor experience right into the inside of the home.
Whether the desired style is rustic elegance or modern organic, the design of the structure begins with the material. Slow-growing Douglas fir is most often the timber of choice by consumers and architects. High-grade Douglas fir is primarily found in Washington, Oregon, and British Columbia.
Well, Canadian Timber Frames is fortunate to acquire its timber from sustainably managed forests here in British Columbia. Our timber is all tight-growth fir, its quality is exceptional, and we're able to select it to meet our needs.
Utilizing today's best design software and manufacturing equipment, Canadian Timber Frames professionals collaborate with some of the most respected architects and builders across North America to create spectacular structures. The company manufactured Canada's highest elevation restaurant, Eagle's Eye, as well as the clubhouse at the Kicking Horse Mountain Resort.
Timber frame construction, it blends in very well with the environment. The product is actually from here. The other benefit with the timber frame is that you can create beautiful open spaces, and that is what people are looking for these days. So it is definitely the most popular construction right now in Kicking Horse.
Planning and building a timber frame structure is a unique opportunity, one that the Macklems are thrilled to have experienced.
I love living in the mountains. Part of being in the mountains is just the ruggedness of it, and a timber frame home really marries that well. I love that each day we wake up and it looks different yet beautiful.